Do you want to be able to use OBS to record your screen and audio? Well, then this video is going to be perfect for you, because in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to do this. So what you're going to do firstly is to just open up OBS on your computer, as you can see, because then you should be taken to this page right here. Now you should be able to view either a scene right here, or maybe if you have created more scenes. I would actually recommend to you to click on the plus symbol right here and create another one, because it's going to make it just much easier to switch if you want to switch to another scene with different settings, just so you know. So now when you have scene number 2 as an example, like I do right here, then you're going to now see, for me it says display capture right here, but that is because I'm actually recording right now. You should not be able to see this one as of right now. So to be able to capture your display similar to this right here, you're going to firstly click on the plus symbol right here, then just click on display capture. So now when you have done so, you will be able to see it in here. Just click on it right here, and then capture method, for me it's automatic, as you can see, and display, I chose my display right here, as you can see, then I clicked on OK. So basically now when you have done so, then we can proceed to the step number 2, which is going to be for us to add audio, of course. So click on this plus symbol right here. Now just simply click on audio input capture in here, as you can see, and click on OK. And as you can see, it's going to actually ask us for our device right here. So our device can be basically the headphones or microphone or stuff like that that you want to be able to use to capture your sound. So I'm just going to take this one as an example, then click on OK. And as you can see, I now have audio input here as well, which is perfect. So now we are able to capture our screen. We are able to capture our audio now here as well, which is great. So now the last thing, you're going to just click right here once again. So the last thing is going to be for you to just click on settings right here. And then it should now take you to this page, which is perfect. So as an example, we can take output right here, as you can see. So in here you can see video bitrate, audio bitrate, the software that the video encoder is going to be, and this is settings that I have myself, by the way. And I would actually recommend you to have these settings here as well. You can even see the recording path. So for me, it's going to be saved in my desktop when I later on save this video. Basically, it's going to be on my desktop. You can see it's going to be saved as an MP4 right here. And there is some other settings in here as well, but as an example, there is this one right here, start streaming F12 or stop streaming F12. I did this myself, by the way, the settings, because I think it's just really cool to have these hotkeys right here to quickly start and stop stream. But you don't need to have it if you don't want to. And here's some general settings that you can take a look on. I don't really look at those ones, to be honest. The ones that I just look on is the output right here. Maybe if you're going to stream, you can use it for Twitch and connect it right here, but you don't have to, obviously, if you don't use it. But basically, this is exactly how to do this.